Number 13. A city planner needs to verify that Main Street and Oak Street are parallel. If blank are supplementary, the streets must be parallel. Alright, so we're trying to figure out if these two streets are parallel. Let's look at our options. 1 and 2 versus 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and 2 and 4. Okay, so we need to kind of know what we're dealing with here. First of all, supplementary means that it adds to 180 degrees. And so anytime it forms a straight line, if it's a linear pair, we know it's supplementary. But if you look here, 2 and 3 is a pretty easy one to get stuck on, because 2 and 3 are supplementary. But does that help us prove that those two streets are parallel? No, it doesn't say anything about Main Street. It only talks about Oak Street. So we're going to throw out 2 and 3. All right. Let's look at some other angles. 2 and 4 was another option, but those are vertical angles. And again, that's only dealing with Oak Street. That's not really helping us. All right, so we're left with either angle 1 and angle 3 or angle 1 and angle 2. We need these to be supplementary. 1 and 3, I know we haven't talked about this yet, but those are actually alternate exterior angles. Those two angles are going to be congruent. 1 and 2 happen to be the supplementary ones. And if you can imagine, this angle right here, that obtuse angle, that's actually the same as that one. So you could kind of shift one over. Those are corresponding angles. And then you can kind of see that 1 and 2 do form a linear pair in this situation, so they are supplementary.